Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for language learning. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for language learning in several ways. Vocabulary expansion. You can ask ChatGPT to define words, provide synonyms, and use them in an example sentence to help you understand their usage in context. Practice conversation. ChatGPT can simulate conversations with you in the language you want to learn. This can help you improve your speaking skills and gain confidence in real-life situations. Language practice exercises. You can use ChatGPT to practice your grammar, sentence structure, and other language skill. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to correct your sentence or provide feedback on your writing. Translation assistance. If you're reading or writing in the language you are learning, you can use ChatGPT to translate words or phrases that you don't understand. Here are some tips for using ChatGPT effective for language learning. Be specific in your request, ask ChatGPT specific questions, or provide clear instructions on what you want to do. This will help it provide more accurate and helpful responses. Use natural language. ChatGPT is designed to understand natural language. So try to ask your questions or make requests in a way that you would to another person. Use different conversation topics. Try to ask ChatGPT questions on various topics, including those that are related to your interests, to expand your vocabulary and practice different language structures. Be patient. ChatGPT may take few moments to generate response, so be patient and give it the time to process your request. Remember that ChatGPT is an AI tool. It may not always provide perfect responses. However, with consistent use, it can be valuable and in your language learning journey. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!